Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select General Management and click on date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off, and now you can manually pick the time zone. At first you can either enter particular one and the search area, or you can scroll down the list and pick something that you would like to apply. Let me choose Palestine, then go back, and now select date and time. As you can see, everything has been changed as only you set it up, and then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can use 12-hour format time. But it's up to you. Then whenever you'd like to go back to default values, smoothly unmark the switchers. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.